Your Uber.
My Uber.
Yeah, this is your
This
Uber.
motherfucker cool though.
Mm-hmm.
You decked this bitch out?
Yup.
Shit. I guess I might like it, right?
Yeah, I mean, only going around the corner.
Right.
So.
What's your name?
Kate.
Kate?
Yes.
Okay, Kate. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, I'm not getting in there. Smell good. What's that? This story don't tell nobody.
Got about 3 different tiny trees stuck in my air vent.
I like this. I know what you're doing. That's how you get your climb.
Yep.
You hear me?
This
Hell yeah, I want to ride with Kate. You hear me? Got the lights in this bitch. Right? Kate?
Yes.
How long you been working for Uber?
6.5 years.
6.5?
Mm-hmm. So I was gonna see, I've developed my style over the years.
I see. You got more advanced.
Yes.
Hey, that shit worked for me. I was like, what the fuck? But it looked good. Then the outside fucked up, but it looked good in the inside though.
The outside's pretty. My kids did it.
One of your kids came up with a pretty good idea. Kate. How old is you, Kate?
Guess.
How old are you?
Guess.
I need to look at you when you get a chance.
Yeah. Yeah, let me turn on the railroad here real quick.
What's the liquor store up here? I can pay you extra.
Actually,
Never mind. Okay.
liquor sales, unless you're going for cigarettes, liquor sales are done for the night.
I was.
Oh, okay.
It's alright. It's
yeah.
okay. It's okay. Whenever you get a chance,
Yeah.
I want to look
Hang
at
on. Get around the corner.
you. Why right here?
This is 804 8th Street. This is the address she put in.
Right here? No, it's to the right.
This
804 8th Street. No, hold on. 18th Street.
Oh, she put in 8th.
Oh my God. It's to the right, sweetheart.
Okay, direct me.
Alright.
I'll get back out of here.
Straight up there.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right, now
Cute.
make a guess.
You cute.
Thank you.
You look like you happy face all the time.
I try to be.
You look like a fun person to be around. That's a good thing, right?
Yeah. Okay, so we're at
You
9th.
got kids? Oh,
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, how many?
3.
3?
Yep.
How many? 2 boys, 1 girl?
You nailed it.
I'm cold, ain't I?
Yeah, you called that.
Yeah, I remembered your face and I was like, ugh. You know what I mean? Like, yeah. I'm good, ain't I?
You're going all the way to 11th?
Yeah. Well, you're going to make a, like, when we go to the stop sign, we're going to make a left.
Oh, okay. Well, it's really difficult. Oh, it's telling me I can't make a left on this because this is the tracks right here.
Oh. So
So,
we got to make the right.
yeah.
Okay. We'll have to make a, yeah, because we would have turned right up here, would have took us straight there.
Okay.
So we got to make it right.
And I've done this before. So hang on.
I'm sorry,
That's all
They
right.
called it for me. I don't know.
Right. She just didn't type in the address right. That's all.
Right.
That's okay. So here's what we're going to do.
No,
We're going to use this place and turn around.
Oh, okay.
We're turning around.
I'm going to say, okay. I see what you doing. What's
Yep.
darling, huh?
Uh-huh.
I like you, you said Kate?
Yes.
Right. Mary.
Alright. You want me to skid around Woodruff or go up a little bit?
We're gonna go up a little bit.
Okay.
Actually, we're gonna go straight.
Straight.
Yup.
All the way to Charles?
Yup.
Or-
No, you ain't gonna go to Charles.
Fifth?
But you gonna go to. I'm gonna show you.
Okay.
You see where that little lump pad up there? We're gonna make a right at it. See where that little hill at? Matter of fact, it's right here.
6th?
Yup.
Okay.
Make a right here.
Alright.
Mary Kay. KK.
Okay. Yeah.
You here?
What up?
You married?
Yes.
Damn. Somebody lucky. Somebody lucky. Good?
Yep.